So I want to kind of carry on by doing more loops, and I'm going to use the exercise from the previous switch cases to do the do while loop. Now, a do while loop is just another type of a loop. We use the keywords do and while. So this is how it works. So you put the keyword do, you put the entire code around it that you want to loop, and you type in while at the end. And there you go. Like this. And in the while, we do number is equal to 3. Wait, while is not. There we go. So what happens here is this will keep repeating until our number is 3. Actually, let's add n lines to these because they'll all stack on top of each other otherwise. So if we press play, we put number 2. There we go. And put 3. And it closes. So yeah, that's kind of how you use the do whiles. You just type in do, you encapsulate it in the entire thing, and you do while. This is really good for, like in this example, for an infinite loop. Because until you press something, this will be. So like, could actually have something like this. So we would have option 1, like play audio, next song, and then 3 would be turn the application off, something like this. So, and then of course the do while would take 3, just display the message that it's turning off, and of course it will end the loop because it is. Of course there's more loops besides that, like do while is not the only loop. There is also a while loop. So if I just delete all of that code, so basically the difference between do while is that do while has a check at the bottom and while loop has the check at the top. So it looks like this. So again, int number, and then we can assign it to 5. So while number is not 5, it will keep repeating, and what we could do is every time we finish the loop, we would do number plus plus, do count message plus number. Let's give this. There we go. Let's give it a try. So in an essence, this is very similar to the for loop, although it's slightly different with how it runs the arguments. And yeah, that would be all of the basic loops covered.